Hey, Nicholas here with my second video review. This time, we have deluxe class skids and mudflap. But this is not just ordinary skids mudflap, it's ice cream truck. And they are pretty cool. You could see it says creamy ice cream on mudflap there. You could see the model ice cream thing on top, like basically on top of his head. You could see the Autobot symbol on the mudflap. Then for skids, he does look pretty cool. You could see that right there says "It's made fresh for you," right above his wheel. And you could see the headlights and grill on skids as his chest and shoulders. Pretty good detailing, but I don't have that much to say about their robot modes. But I do have a size comparison for them. Okay, for the size comparison, I have Scout Class Nightbeat and Scout Class Beachcomber. Wait. Just have to get Beachcomber ready. Okay. Okay. So you could see that skids and mudflap are the exact size of a Scout Class Transformer, but that's only in robot mode. Because Beachcomber is the height of mudflap, but mudflap's ice cream model thing on his back is makes him a little bit taller. Then Nightbeat is taller than skids, and same with Beachcomber. But mudflap is the size of Nightbeat. Okay. So let's get to the transformation. Okay, first off, for skids, you untab that, then you just spin his waist around, then you come up here and spin that around. But actually, this is optional if you want to have it if you want to have this like that, or if you want to have this on top. But you just fold that up and then fold those two windows down. Then you take his hands, get them out of the way of the bumper. Then you just fold that up and then fold that up, but don't tab it in yet. So now you just fold it is kind of hard. Actually, not kind of, maybe even a lot. But the hands or arms will come off a lot. For me, almost every single time I transform ice cream truck skids and mudflap, the arms come off. Then you just fold that down. Then you get this one the same way it was with the other arm. Then you just fold the legs up like that, and then just fold that down a little. Then you have skids in this vehicle mode. I'm kidding, that's not the entire vehicle mode because mudflap transforms into the other half. So now, let's get to the transformation of mudflap. First, you just take those off his chest, then fold that up. Then you just fold that down a little. Then you just untab his waist. And then you come back here, then you tab that, actually not tab, just get that right there. Then you tab the foot into there. And then you just tab that in, and then attach that there. Then you tab the hand in there. Then you take that. Then you take that, tab it into there. Okay. Then, before you fold that in, you take this and get it right there. Then if it untabs right there, then you just tab it back in. The thing is, the one thing that I hate about this is, about mudflap, is that everything comes apart when you're transforming him. But if this comes off while you're transforming and you already have that there, move it, because it's hard to tab this back in if this is there. Okay, so you just tab that in there. Fold it right there. Fold that right there. Tab that in there. Then you tab the two legs or feet together. Then you tab that into the foot. Then you just fix it all up. Okay, and then you have mudflap in his half of the ice cream truck mode. Then to attach them, you tab that in right there, then that in, like you just tab it all together. Most of the time it will not come apart, it's just that two of the tabs for mine broke off. But for mine it's still able to attach. But it just doesn't stay together as good as it normally would. Okay, so now you have Skids mudflap in their ice cream truck mode. Very nice detail. You can see the upside down Autobot symbol there. Then you can see the windows there. Then it says creamy ice cream up there. Then you can see the picture of that ice cream there. And then you can see the translucent window. And then the made fresh for you. Then you can see it has the speaker right there. And then the model ice cream thing. Then you can see the purple headlights. I don't know why they're purple. It doesn't make any sense. But you can see that this side has the same detailing as the other side. And you can see on the rims, it's kind of like silver with pink, with like a pink stripe going around it. Really nice detailing around the whole thing. I just love this. But the reason why my hood is sticking up is because it will not tab into there. I just hope that it's not like that for anyone else's. But I just love this Toy Skids mudflap. I think Hasbro did a really good job on this. I definitely recommend this, especially if you're a Skids and mudflap fan. This is just a really good transformer, or these are very good transformers to add to your collection. Okay, so I'm Astor, and this is Nicholas Adriel with my second video review. Bye.